Hi, we're here at one of Cisco's R&D facilities in Research Triangle Park, North Carolina, to focus on a comprehensive suite of tests. Tests that were designed to verify new technologies that will empower the next generation of cloud services. Specifically, this year's mega test will focus on the needs of cloud service providers and the enterprise. Today we're meeting with Cisco and our partners EANTC to get the results of tests for capabilities that are designed for the unified data center.
We view cloud as a tipping point. When we talk to customers as recently as 9 months, a year ago, they're saying, is cloud real? Should I be investing in an offering service? We're now seeing, we've got over a couple of dozen service providers who've already come out with cloud services. It's getting strong uptake, and the reason is it provides a more agile, cost-effective way to deliver IT.
In the past year, many service providers have started offering cloud services, and of course it's great to have these announcements, but at some point the service providers need to deliver at scale, and they need to deliver reliable and function-rich services. So that's why we felt it's important to test the next level of cloud services implementations right now. So Light Reading has commissioned EANTC in order to test Cisco's cloud data center solution to many aspects, for the basic infrastructure services, for video services over virtual machines, for the whole advanced resilience and protection solutions, and also for actually mobile applications. Specifically, Fabric Path was used to scale the infrastructure and to protect against failures, and Cisco's Cloud Lifecycle Management was employed to provision all aspects of cloud network and cloud server basis. And finally, the VSG, the Virtual Security Gateway, it's integrated with the cloud servers, and it provides security in terms of like isolating the tenants and deploying rules, firewall rules into the cloud space. And that included components from the UCS, their server platform, from the Nexus and ASR switch and router families. And all these work together in order to provide a comprehensive data center solution. All of the service providers, internal as well as business customer offerings, can be deployed and implemented on these data centers.
When we look at the technologies in Cisco, we have many architectures like the UCS, the Nexus portfolio, and so forth. And what we do in our group is we take that and create an architecture around all these different components that enable us to create a solution that is a foundation for some of our cloud solutions that we put forward in the market. Some of those enable us to accelerate not only the adoption of certain technologies, but also in terms of how we configure those.
This test differs from previous Cisco mega tests conducted by Light Reading and EANTC in a way that we covered not only one pillar, like video services, for example, or mobile services. We covered actually all of those pillars and integrated them into a cloud environment. So that means, of course, it's much more complex. It requires more types of products and so on. And we tested a total of 20 Cisco products and solutions from 12 business units from Cisco. And it took us a total of 6 months preparation and execution time, 4 weeks in the lab, and a total of more than 60 engineers from Cisco and Ixia, the test equipment provider, were involved in this test.
So the data center is absolutely core for delivery of cloud services. And one of the unique things that Cisco brings in there is there's a massive trend towards convergence of infrastructure within the data center: computing, network, and storage. And what differentiates us is that we have a leading-edge platform, the Unified Computing System, which is developed from the ground up for this virtualized cloud world we're seeing, not retrofitted from previous architectures. A second key area Cisco is different, and one of the reasons we did this test is we fundamentally believe that the network is the underrepresented part of the story. And we are the only vendor that provides end-to-end deep capability.
You really have to orchestrate the cloud infrastructure management, because if you don't, then the operators will just lose control of what they're trying to deploy.
Well, we designed a platform for the ground up for the way computing is emerging in the cloud world. Highly virtualized, highly integrated network and compute and storage, all in an integrated fabric, all manageable together.